Listen up. Are you a woman 30 years or older struggling to make money or live your dream life? If you were anything like myself, I've attended all the seminars, read all the books, listened to all the podcasts, and took advice from people who were doing better than me. Nothing worked, okay? I was so close to giving up, but the best day of my life came when I almost died. Yup, you heard me right. That was the best day of my life when a semi-truck crashed into my Chrysler 300 in New York City, causing me to find this secret image called the yantra. Not many people know about this yantra. It is very well hidden and kept away. The reason for this is because the elite do not want ordinary people getting our hands on this image because it is life-changing. As you can see, I am in a tropical paradise right now known as Miami, Florida. I am investing in real estate. Just a few short months ago, I couldn't even pay my rent, let alone invest in real estate. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I want you to change your life. All you need to do is learn about this image, get it, and learn how to use it. It doesn't take much. All you need to do is look at this image morning and night for about 5 to 10 minutes. Click the button below. Get inside and let me show you how I've personally used this image to transform my entire life. Trust me, I don't know how it works or why it works, but I do know that it is insanely powerful. And if you use it, you too can change your life. Click the button below and I'll see you on the inside.